Niche Psychology presents 9 Things to Do Yearly Life Maintenance Checklist Part 2. 1. Rearrange your space. The motive of factors and wherein they're positioned alternate the entire atmosphere of the room. Personal area includes energy, so alternate the orientation of your bed, flow your TV, flow your laptop desk, place your preferred lamp someplace else, and you may in all likelihood understand matters in another way from the final 12 months. Just ensure it is for the higher. 2. Make a list. Make a listing of the stuff you value, after which a listing of approaches you're going to make the ones of matters a priority. If you care extra approximately your buddy's emotions than you do approximately a few transient frustrations, make your buddy the priority. If you care extra approximately dwelling peacefully together along with your roommate than preventing over every other grimy dish, prioritize that. Decide what subjects extra to your maximum, and the way you're going to clear up your issues. The first-class manner to recover from something is to surely begin being concerned approximately something else extra. 3. Clean up your e-life. Nowadays, nearly anyone in the world spends lots of their time on a laptop, and the extra time which you spend on it, the extra cluttered it becomes. You recognize what I suggest? If your computing device or PC is full of icons from pinnacle to bottom, it's actually time for a cleaning. You can begin with the aid of growing a folder for diverse matters. Create a folder in your song collection, wherein you may additionally create subfolders for extraordinary genres, then a folder in your documents, every other for movies, and so on. While you're at it, ensure to test that your protection software program is as much as date. Once that's done, pull up your social networks and examine your connections. This is a great time to declutter the ones as well. Yeah, it seems cool if you have 2,000 Facebook buddies, however what number of do you clearly communicate to? If you have enjoyed, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.